Alright guys, so my buddies asked me about SSHing into a machine that you can't SSH into. Specifically, we're looking in a scenario where he is in a Mac and this Mac has been booted into install or recovery mode, which is the single user mode. The SSHD is not running. What does he do? And we've kind of come up with a solution. And the first part of that is to not worry about SSH because it's just on his local network. So what I've done is I've told him to use Netcat and to set it up in a listening mode on a port, any port. And this here is happening on my Raspberry Pi. So this is the machine that I want to remote access from. So I'm setting up a listener on this machine to use as remote access. Then over on the right hand side we've got a Mac and it's exactly where we said. And what we need to do now is pretty well tell it that we want to set up a bash shell. So we're going to set up bash and we're going to ask it to run in interactive mode, and we're going to take the input and we're going to grab that input from /dev/tcp, and then we're going to put in the address of the Pi, and in this case it's 192.168.88.2. And then we're going to enter the port number, so /9999, and we want to put the output to the same location as well. And once we've done this, we will have communication, and you see on the left hand side now on the Pi, a bash script has come up, and that is on our Mac. So we can see uname -a. That's our Mac machine on the other side there. And this is a really quick and simple process, and it's going to get you running. I'm going to put both commands in the comments as well, so that you can just copy and paste those commands from the comments. All right.